Hi Kevin, right, I've made you a bit of a special box. So I've left the Tesla open on the top. You can set the sound to, well, the response to sound, so it will respond, or the Tesla on the front will respond to sound then, or tapping, or the volume of the box. So that's that. That's a simple bit sorted out. Right, next there's a little on-off switch behind here, and that'll power the box on and off. I'll try and do this one-handed. Right, then the batteries sit in there. So try and do this one-handed. I'll just leave that off for now. So you've got your 4 AA batteries in that polarity. Right, if you do want to adjust the speed of the box and how its pulses, I've set it up so you get a nice strong 2 sentences, but you can adjust the speed of the box by a little screwdriver and adjusting this part. That's if you want. Right, on the back, I'll just explain this. So when you press the red button on the front, this is a button that will begin to tune your radio, but I can actually mimic that by pressing this button on the end. So when I press the button on the front, you'll see that it actually starts to circle. So what that means is that the radio will start to scan and store. So each time it finds a station, it'll play it for about a second until it's swept all the way through to 108. So on a good sweep, you're going to get 15 to 25 channels. Because I'm indoor at the minute and I've got all my equipment on, then it's likely to be a little bit less. So it's just sweeping through now. So that'll start to play all of the 11 channels in reverse now. And like I say, if you want to adjust the speed, you can adjust it there. So on the front of the radio, you can see, now see how it's reacting. See, you can turn the reverb off. If you do turn it up too loud, this is where you'll hear the Tesla picking up. So you want to limit the volume a little bit so you don't get any distortion. And you can start to add your feedback. Right, because I'm going to leave the back of your box open. This is a little trade secret that's only available on the better boxes, and I put an extra button in. So you can see you've got these volume plus and minus buttons. So you hold those together, you can put your thumb over them, hold them simultaneously, and it'll turn into FRE mode, frequency mode. So you'll see now the box is stepping reverse sweep through all of the frequencies. And then if you want to put it back into channel hopping mode, press and hold them both again. Push those through together. Probably easier with 2 fingers.
Set up a really quick total. It is very
It's definitely easier with 2 fingers rather than trying to do it with 1. So like I said, you can adjust this pot. So to make it a little bit faster. So whilst that's stepping faster, when you put it back into the channel hopping mode, then it'll step through those a lot quicker as well. But I like it a little bit slower, so it actually forms string together sentences. So I'll just ease that off again. You'll see the speed of the flash by the light. Right, so I'll put a Velcro back on it, so the radio will stick. So I'll just stick like that.